Hi everybody, Lisa here, your national educator from Matisse, South Africa. And today I'd like to talk to you about 3 of my favorite products. I call them the luminosity trio.
They are Radiant Cleansing Water, Radiance Serum and Radiance Cream.
So why do I refer to these products as my favorite? Well, who doesn't want their skin to have radiance and to exude radiance, to shimmer, to sparkle? Adding all 3 of these products to your daily skincare routine is definitely going to add brightness, radiance and luminosity to the dullest of skin.
Let's have a look at our products in a bit more detail.
Radiance Cleansing Water is an exfoliating micellar water cleanser. So yes, it's a cleanser and an exfoliator in one product that is going to superficially remove the dead skin cells. It's going to cleanse and remove the impurities all in a single application. Second part of our trio is Radiance Serum. Now, this is a serum that is specifically going to target age spots and pigmentation marks, as well as a dull and an uneven skin tone. Radiance Serum makes use of a few active ingredients.
Chromo Skin Complex, Nano Citrus Extract, and light reflecting pigments.
This is our Complexion Perfecting Moisturizer. Both day and night for all skin types and all skin conditions, leaves an awesome little shimmer after you've applied it to the skin. You can even use it as a bit of a highlighter with your makeup. Cool tip, right?
The benefits are that it improves skin quality, restores radiance, reduces an uneven complexion, and diminishes pores appearance. So don't delay, get your hands on these products today. Thank you for watching. Bye.